I've been getting this question a lot lately. How do I manage my Facebook business page from my phone? For those of you that are on-the-go business warriors, in this video, I'll break down the easiest possible way to manage your Facebook business page while on the go from your smartphone. All right, let's get into it. Hey, what's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you are feeling stuck with your social media, or maybe your business is new and you're learning it all for the first time, you're in a great place. We help businesses get high quality results from their social media without it taking up all of your very valuable time. That sounds like something you could use. Take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell so you get notified each week when we release another helpful video. Okay? My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And today I'm showing you how do you manage your Facebook business page from your smartphone. There's actually a separate app to do it from the regular Facebook app, and that's what I'm going to show you in. So what I'm showing you is the Facebook Pages Manager app, which is an app that Facebook released just for managing business pages. And I'm going to go through the tabs on the bottom here and just kind of show you how it's set up. But whenever somebody says, oh, how do I do this on a Facebook business page? It's usually something they're trying to do in the regular Facebook app, and then they try it in the Pages Manager, and it has all of the features, or at least a lot more than the regular one. So the first tab here, starting from left to right, is just your page. So you see your cover photo there. You can tap Edit if you want to change your cover photo out. If you wanted to publish to your Facebook story, you can tap the plus sign you can see there on my face there on the profile picture. These options come up. I can create a story, I can view the picture, or I can choose a new picture. So those are all different situations there that you can do. Scroll down a little more, you see Visit Group. That just happens to be the call to action button on my page. And then these are all your different publishing tools here. You can publish if you wanted to make a post, just like normal. Photo video would take you straight to your camera roll. It's just a shortcut to create an event. And then promote would be if you wanted to create an ad from your page manager. Scroll on down and essentially you see your feed just like usual. If you wanted to go in and boost a post or anything like that, you can do that right here on the screen. I have a couple of friends that all they do is manage ads and boosting for different clients, and they say it's so much faster doing it in Facebook Pages Manager than trying to do it on the computer. Basically because this is a dedicated Facebook app. I mean, it does move along very, very quickly. So next tab over is your Facebook Insights. You can come in here, you can choose a date range that you want. It's not like you can choose any dates you want, but the rolling 28-day average is sort of a regular thing in social media. Because if you do month to month, well, some months have 31 days and some have 28. So that's why a lot of the times marketers use the 28-day rolling average. So you can see post reach, engagements, new page likes all there at the top. Under that, you can see your promotions if you have any ads or boosts running. Below that, you can see your posts and how they are performing. What kind of engagement did they get? So if you want to see them all in one place, you can see the little See More button. Tap that and you can actually see more of your posts. Below that, Facebook events. If you have events going on, you can check the insights on those. So the nice thing is on the phone, this is all super accessible. And if you know what you're looking for, like you're monitoring something every day, you can jump to it really, really quickly. So that third tab over is going to be your inbox. And as you can see here, there's this notification. If your Instagram business profile is attached to your Facebook business page, you can actually see your messages on both of them right here in the Facebook Pages Manager app. So as you can see, some of these have a messenger for Facebook icon next to them, and then others have the little paper airplane, which represents the direct messages on Instagram, all in one inbox. If I tap this other tab at the top here for comments, you can go through and manage all your comments on Facebook and Instagram, again, right here on the Facebook Pages Manager app. So they are really going out of their way to make it easier for businesses to be on both Facebook and Instagram. The next tab is notifications. So you tap that bell and it brings up all the notifications for your business page, just like you're used to. The one after that is your calendar. If you use any sort of appointment booking tool on Facebook, then you'll have this here. Now, if you don't use it or you've never turned it on, you may not see that tab at all. For some of the pages I manage, that doesn't exist. And then finally, the last tab is your Toolbox. And under Tools, you've got Settings. So if I tap on that, you can go through and manage a lot of the same settings that you can on desktop. Below that, under Sharing Tools, here are all of the photos you've uploaded. So it's basically your photo galleries for your business page. Post drafts, if you have any drafts, scheduled posts, Videos is like clicking on your video tab for your page. Below that, other tools, ads management, appointments, contacts, events, jobs. And then down below, this is actually just a link to the Facebook Ads Manager app, which if you run Facebook ads through Ads Manager, they actually have a dedicated app. It's never been that great, but if you run campaigns and you want to monitor them and you don't have your computer, it's a sort of adequate replacement is the best way that I can put it. Now, what I showed you today was on an iPhone, but Android should look relatively similar. If you don't have the free Facebook Pages Manager app yet, grab the link to download it for Android or iPhone in the description of this video right now. And as you move forward, you want to save more time on your social media so you can get back to running the rest of your business, grab this: 6 ways to cut your social media workload in half. You can click the link on the screen, or if you don't see it on your device, grab the link in the description of this video. And if this was helpful, give this video a like, click subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.